everybody, it's Carolyn, and I am back with another easy keto recipe. This time we're making something out of easy keto dinners. It's almost back to school time, and I am sure you need as many easy keto dinners as you can get. Well, this has 50 plus recipes, and today we're making one of my favorites and my family's favorites. So today we are making the chicken enchilada skillet. This is creamy, it's delicious, and it comes together in about 15 minutes start to finish. And to show you just how easy it is to make, I have a special guest star. Come on in. This is my daughter Celia, and today she's going to be doing all the work.
Hi.
So we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of butter, which we have here in our pan, and we're just going to melt that over medium heat. So there are a couple ways to make this, and actually in the book I give instructions for cooking the chicken in the pan and then taking it out and shredding it. But today we're going to make it super simple by using already cooked chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is add half a cup of chicken broth. Great. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, once your chicken broth is beginning to simmer, you can add 2 tablespoons. You want to do this? Yeah. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Get it right in there. And then you can whisk it together with your whisk. Okay, now we're going to add our spices. This is where you get the enchilada flavor from. So I've got 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and Celia's going to whisk that in for us. I've got half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and just for a little kick of heat, about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. How's that looking, Seals?
Good.
Yeah, how does it smell?
Good.
We're going to add a little salt and pepper now, but you don't want to add too much. You can add more later after you taste it. And now you want to add your sour cream. I've got 3/4 cup sour cream here. Yep, you want to whisk that in nicely and get it all off the sides. Okay, perfect. Now, shake off your whisk a little, trying not to splatter anything. So here I have about 1.5 pounds of cooked chicken. You could use rotisserie chicken. You can cook the chicken from scratch at the beginning. But in this case, this is some grilled chicken my husband made the other day, and we had too much for the chicken salad, so he set some aside for me. We're just going to put that all in and mix it up with our sauce, making sure it gets nicely coated by the sauce. Once your chicken is stirred in, you want to spread it around the pan, and now you just want to top it with some shredded cheese. We have about, 1.5 cups of shredded Mexican cheese, and you want to sprinkle it evenly over. And all you need to do now is cover your pan and let it cook until the cheese is nice and melty. That takes 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's about done, so I'm going to let Celia do the honors. Ta-da! That looks fabulous. It's bubbling, it's melty, it's hot, it's ready to go, and do you want to give it a try? How is it?
That's really good.
That's really good, she says. There you go, guys, an easy, family-friendly keto meal. For more recipes like this one, check out All Day I Dream About Food, or grab yourself a copy of Easy Keto Dinners. Bye!